Khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net foodish ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakrdob ying jongpi
Ki arngut kindong niya cycle ki bala pauna bahana sor Guwahati Assam ki bakentup ya usantanu datta bat umanish ki deka ki lieshim benta ha freedom run da ka banyak cycle nado kanong ba Guwahati bat rungleng ba kanong ba Shillong bat 1.4 menta kasngi ka khatsan terik ubna yayong arhajar arpuway hasor nongston West Khasi Hills District. Kini ki arngut kinong niya cycle kilami na Shillong haka step jong ka khatsan terik ubna yayong arhajar arpuway haka por henru beje men step bat hadin kombasaw kenta kini ki arngut kilawan poi tiap hasor nongston ha kabala pedyang sengob haru yiki Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills District uba Tilingwa lembar Superintendent of Police uba Herbert G Lingdo hapo Circuit House kabadan Nongston. Kajingnya cycle jong kini ki arngut kalong ru kum kadak banyadon bentalang ha kajing rakhe ya kajing dap henyo pusan snem jong kajing yo light load kari India ya kabala tibru kum ka azadi ka amrut mahotsav. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor kini ki arngut kinong nya cycle kila penpauru bakin sara ya ka khubor halor kajing itnat ka thany West Khasi Hills District kanang bagi breu ni ki waipat ki jilla jongkari bat kumjuru nabar kari kin khamyo jing tip bahasa phangkani ka jingreu spa jong ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka jingdon jong ki jaka jingok kai perthai.
We long time we want to come this place and we have very clean and very clean air and the roads are very good and we want to promote the cycle along with the 75 years independence also going on. There is a main reason.
Not about the stretch from Shillong to Nongston from many people, so we wanted to explore it and at the same time go back and promote this place Nongston because it's not known very much in Guwahati or in Assam or in other parts. So people when they come to Meghalaya they come to Shillong, they go to Cherrapunji and Dauki and all this thing, and people can come here and explore this beautiful place because it is. The road conditions are so good, so clean, the views are so amazing, the people will just love it and cyclists like us will just love this. In the morning we started around 6 o'clock in the morning and the weather was very nice in the morning because there was a little bit of rain, so the air was very nice and no traffic, the road conditions are good and we reached much earlier than we expected. I think today we took around 4 hours, no? Less than 4 hours. Adventure at the same time promote the sport of cycling, promote the reason, everything. So everything goes hand in hand. Everybody says that we want a fit India. A fit India can only be when we all remain fit, all the citizens remain fit, and cycling is a very good way to remain fit and explore at the same time new places.
There are lots of scope here because of the terrain of this area. There is lots of scope for local boys and girls if they start running and cycling. They can go higher extent like national, international level. We have seen lots of
really ideal place for.
There's an ideal place. See, the people from Indian team and other teams they used to go for the high altitude trip. So I believe that this place is perfect place for that. Make it like cycling and running halves only. This area, very good, beautiful terrain for this practice.
Here we'll go back to Shillong.
Shillong only.
Shillong. We'll ride back to Shillong.
ये प्रेमपुरम इगिनी नमरबा के देगी कि ब्रियो की बला पावना का प्रति इंडियन को रीजनी इंडियन को इंडिया इंडियन को प्रति है नमरबा इन की ब्रियो बला का कियो जो एवरेस्ट बला कियो जो की न्यूक्लियर की 100 की हाईएस्ट पीक की जो प्रति नाटा वो इबरे की उड़े बला जो kata nam ayon man ko New Zealand bana Australia te tini glade ye report ma jonga ringa ni te sapai tunggu ta bani gajing ya kalifu bani rakyat yang mencintai anak Fransman juga jenayah dari India ki wan sini ada cycle wan raha from message wan creative awareness sapang ni kita jangka rinja juga deh tak ada wan ni yang lain wan hai kolong ba kajingon dengan ini diberi ke museum yani bat ya ki pai ba dengan resek bagi pai ba yo i bagi ni quality bagi ya cycle te ka MNC me ki mentang nilai apa nostal la kham mi ki khana ki we chong cycle kham tam le ki we mare step we ka step ka ni ka culture jong ka fitness kelas dang bandan ni ko step ni te na kentu ye ki pai ba kham tam le ki samla ba ki ya sim ni kabu batro ban ai ban penput ni kini ki beri ki wan sini nama ki wan sini ada commission jong ka kan da jing thu jing ki ka ba ande ki jing thu ke tentang pensur di pai ba dan khan bagian sim ni ni kusa sim ni ka bu ban banyak pasang ban jele dan kembali